Cough. Effective scientific solution. Simple recipe but high efficacy of this treatment. Best remedy is ginger mint tea. With ingredients of honey, ginger, mint, lemon, black tea. Honey and ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, and mint with antimicrobial and antioxidant quality to cure any type of cough. Additional remedy is licorice root. You can suck it or use as herbal tea. It's not only suppress your harsh cough situation, but also reduce inflammation in your respiratory tract. Information share here with scientific analysis and its implementation. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Let us know which type of information you do want. Why.